Good morning, Jamaica, US, UK, Canada, anywhere you're watching this video right now. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Today is March 14, my birthday, my earth strong, the day I was born, everything that has to be with me on this day. So right now, as a day, hang on, let me show you something. Today it is, well, right now it's 3 minutes after 5. So I'm actually going up to Calabar right now to actually shoot something with 3 athletes. We're trying to get the sunrise. Let's see how outside look. Yes, still dark as midnight. So yeah, we're actually getting ready right now. So as my shirt said, step 1, hold them. Step 2, walk them. Carnival time. So tripod set. Bag with equipment set. Camera set. So right now, we're heading out, taking this intro. Prince will be right back. See you guys soon. Alright people, I'm home now. So now what I'm gonna do is, well, it's after 8 now, so I'm gonna jump on the Xbox. Gonna play Max, the Curse of Brotherhood. So right now, I try to start a gaming channel. People tell me if I think it's worthy. So I'm a mic here, MacBook there to record audio. So I get into it right now. So I'm gonna show you a look up. Right now, just check out this and see a look at preview of how I'm actually doing my last game review. So powered.
Oh, I guess I need to get through the door before it closes. Riku!
Sora! I will be your oblivion. Submit. Heads up! Reload!
Take this! You like it?
Wait! Ansem! Where are you going?
Riku!
Hey, let's speed it up. Keep the line moving. Think fast! R for reload!
It's there!
Hey, watch it!
So long! Here we go!
You better run! Reload!
You like it? Back off! Just for you! Take this! Darkness! You like it? Try this! Try this!
Let's make it interesting!
Right!
Start dancing!
You like it? Take this! Get him! Heal!
R for reload! Heads up!
Just for you! Back off! Here we go!
Heads up!
Just for you!
R for reload! This one's special! Think fast!
Heal! Here we go! You like it?
R for
You
reload!
like it? Gotcha!
Think fast!
So long!
Hey,
Like
watch
this!
it! Start dancing!
Take this! Heal! Try this!
You better run! So, this is your power. Figures. If I had a keyblade, it'd be different.
Like you're actually worthy to use one.
Oh. I am worthy.
What do you mean?
The old coot promised to bequeath me his. Why else do you think I would ever put up with all his nonsense?
It'd be wasted on you.
As if.
I'm unstoppable! I'm done with you! Later! Come on! You like it? You like it? Who's stronger? Heal! Darkness! Try again! Come on! Darkness! You like it? Darkness! You like it? Think fast! One more! Fire! Water! Like this! Sorry! It's over! But why? You're not real. Huh? I'm the real one. Aren't you my past self? From when Ansem possessed me? No. You beat Ansem and you're still here. This guy is me. I knew it. It's a replica. A soon-to-be empty vessel. I've been waiting for a chance like this. Hey! What are you doing? Take the vessel! No. The world already has you. There's someone else who needs the replica more. You know who I mean. Oh. Namine, you're saving her. Good luck.
Is that a replica for Nominee?
Yeah. Wish we could help her now. But first,
I know.
I'm going after Ansem.
Okay. I'll go help the others.
Spicy Wings at Jackson Records. Man himself. Oh dear. Oh God. What could I cause this? Oh, what could I cause this? Nah, give me eat a piece, good. Alright, so people finally reach a UWI now. So I'm gonna try to meet up with everybody else. Cause today is UWI Carnival, so just watch this B-roll shots right about now.
Cause when we roll, we don't roll alone. So anywhere that we go, you feel I'm moving every with me, family. With me, family. When we come to play, we mash up fun, turn up dance, we like a hammer. Cause everybody jump it up together, jump it up together, mash it up together, mash it up together.
Alright, people, still there UWI Carnival. I'm gonna say the thing over there earlier, and that's right. The vibe's right. So right now, we are going. I get up to that truck up there. So yeah, people, I've been having fun, a lot of fun. So let's check out this next set of B-rolls while I get drunk. Soon come, so far.
Gimme, Bessie, Matty, Kume, Vinny, Saka, Fek, Wiki, too much pressure, Finny, girl, bring the bumper. Gimme, Bessie, Matty, Kume, Vinny, Saka, Fek, Wiki, too much pressure, Finny. Yeah, me know, the thing on fire, now me know, the thing on fire, the thing on stand up, the thing on fire, freaky girls that we love. Yeah, me know, the thing on fire, now me know, the thing on fire, the thing on stand up, the thing on fire, freaky girls that we love. Just wanna party, we gonna be stress-free.
Alright, so people, UWI Carnival never bad. Oh, you might never know them people about Cylinder, yeah? And chips there, so there you go, have some pizza right now. Funny. So there you go, have some pizza right now. And enjoy there. Today was a good day. You take people right there, sir? Yeah!
Yo, general! You take there! Money on us!
Alright people, you know it go. People them bad. A crazy thing. You take people them out there. Well, you take people them out there. So right now people, landed there. Focus on pizza. So right now, so far. So alright people, this is the end of the vlog.
Alright, my general. We there, we run town, the boy.
Yeah man, he's drunk man, and not too listen to him, I'm kind of drunk still. Rando there so. Him fast, him not drunk. Him not reach the drunk level yet. Me know, me highly fast. But everybody around here so. I know either them drunk or fast or something, I'm not sure, but them not normal. So people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and people don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that like button, hit the bell, hit everything. See you later. See you on the next vlog. Jesus Christ. Hit everything and just call it a day.